This is Mike Farley. We're in Colleyville, Texas tonight. We're talking about gray. Gray is the color of the travertine. Well, it's actually silver, and in silver travertine in this particular vein, there's some gray and there's some brown. But the challenge with just using a plain brass skimmer lid is it doesn't work at all. So we actually come in and we use these aluminum ones, which work quite well. They can be engraved with pool company's name on that, of course, as well. So, oh, there, looks much better that way. So we can put that in place. We use, particularly if we're using a Versailles pattern, we like to use a square versus a round one. Kind of blends in a little bit. And also we can get that with the matching drain cover. So the drain covers, I think, are way over here. Prefer the square ones, again, to blend with the Versailles pattern and all the lines that we're using here. The other advantage of the square one, as you can kind of see here, is there's no plastic showing. The round ones, there's a plastic rim all the way around it, and so with this, you don't see the rim. The challenge with this particular one, it's a 5-inch square, is the 5-inch square is substantially more cost than the 4-inch round. And so some people choose to do the round still because of economics. Say, if I can save $500 on drain covers, that's a viable situation. Now, sometimes there's only 3 or 4 on the whole pool. It's not that big a deal, but when you've got 15, it can add up quite substantially. So it's just a small detail to think about and make sure that you get your colors that blend together in the deck, and you don't have your plastic skimmer ring out here in your beautiful travertine deck, especially a white one. That would be way old school. What is it? Oh, it's a drain cover. What's cool about this one is it's removable. How cool is that? The cool thing about it is it covers all the plastic. You don't see it. That's the cool thing about it. So this goes over the top. It's an awesome drain, blends marvelously with the silver travertine here. That's aluminum. We also have them in brass. Can go real well with the noche travertine and the walnut travertine. So it's a really cool detail. Now the problem with the square one is, because it is removable, this is substantially more expensive than the round 4-inch one, but it covers all that plastic stuff. So that's a nice thing to have from a visual standpoint. So that's what we were talking about just a minute ago, the aluminum blending with the silver travertine. So there you go. That's a 5-inch square, even though it's covering your whole TV screen. But it fits in nicely with the Versailles pattern that we have here on this project.